Hi and welcome to this one take bike tips. This one's for kids. It's really easy to do. I can remember my dad showing me how to do it, and we used to call them peg engines. So if you've got a bicycle and you wish it sounded more like a motorbike, I will show you what we used to do as kids. In order to do this, you'll either need a household clothes peg, one of these sort of file clip things, piece of cardboard. Right, I'm going to try and set this up so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's bear in mind that this is one take, so I'm doing my absolute best not to get in the way. So, you need a piece of cardboard. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it so that it sits gently inside the spokes, and then with your clamp or your peg, this one's got really big stays, so it's quite difficult to get it to fit where I want it to fit. There we go. Okay, so you fix that on. I'll take this back now so you can have a really good look. So you fix it on so that goes into your spokes, and then as if by magic, I'll put you back up here again. As if by magic, so that is how you make your kiddie's bike sound like a motorbike, and you can try it with a little piece of plastic patch from a yogurt, not a yogurt, from like a margarine lid. Cut out a piece that fits nicely, but it works every time. They do run out after a little while. But if you want your bike to sound like a motorbike, this is the trick. I hope that's given you something really cool to do with your bike, kids. And we'll see you for the next one.